you're welcome. How to solve this nice square root math problem? From what we have given here, let's square both sides. Then we have square root of 15, square root of 15, then square root of 15, enter each other like this, then all square now equals to 225 raised to power x all square. Then from here, this square will cancel these square roots. Then this gives us 15. Then root 15. Inside that as well, we have root 15, which is equals to this power will multiply, and this becomes 225 raised to power 2x. Then also in the next step, we can square both sides again. Then here, this square will affect 15, that's 15 square, and we also affect square root of 15, then root 15 here, then that one also square, and here we have this power multiply again, that gives us 225 raised to power 4x now. Then from here, this square cancel these square roots, and this gives us 15 square times 15, then root 15 now equals to 225 raised to power 4x. Then from here, this is 15 raised to power 1, and from the law of indices, we can add the power here, and that remains 15 raised to power 3, then times root 15 now equals to 225 raised to power 4x. Then also, we can square both sides again from here. Then this square will affect 15 raised to power 3, that's 15 raised to power 3, then square. Then to affect root 15, that's root 15 square. And from there, here, we multiply the power as well, and that gives us 225 raised to power 8x. Then here, it becomes 15 raised to power 6, then square cancel square root, we have 15 here less, equals to here 225 same thing as 15 square, that's 15 times 15, raised to power 8x. Then this is 15 raised to power 1, and this becomes 15 raised to power 7 here, which equals to 15 raised to power 16x. Then we have same base here, we can equate the power, and that gives us 16x equals to 7. And when we divide both sides by 16 from here, then here 16 cancel out, and x equals to 7 over 16. So we have x to be equals to 7 over 16 here, or we can solve this in another way as breaking these square roots down. The first one we have root 15, then this second one we have 2 roots there, that's roots, then root 15, and also here times the last one will be containing 3 square roots, so then 15, then equals to 225 raised to power x. Then here, this square root is raised to power half, so we have 15 raised to power half, then times here will be 15 raised to power 1 over 4 now. So here we have 15 raised to power 1 over 4, then times here, that's half in 3 places, that's 1 over 8 now, equals to 225 raised to power x. Then from here, we have 15 as the base, then we can sum the powers and the multiply. Then we have half plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8 now equals to 225 raised to power x. Then from here, we can bring this fraction together as 1. Then that means we have 15 raised to power LCM here 8. Then 2 goes in 8 here, that's 4. We have 4. Then plus here, 4 goes in 8, 2 times 1, that's 2. Then plus here, 8 goes in 1, times 1, that's still 1. Equals to here, we have 225 raised to power x. Then from here, this gives us 15 raised to power 7 over 8. Now equals to here, this same thing as 15 square. Then times x, that's 15 raised to power 2x now. Then from here, we have same base now. We can equate this power. So we have 2x equals to 7 over 8. And here, when we multiply both sides by 8, this gives us 16x here. Then 8 cancel each other here. That gives us 7. And when we divide both sides by 16, we have divide this side by 16, this side by 16. Then this cancel out, and x equals to 7 over 16, which is what we got also from the first method. Then let's check if this will satisfy the given problem. Given here, let's put the value we got, x equals to 7 over 16 here, to check if this will satisfy. Then here, this we have square root of, we can separate it as root 15 there, then times root 2 root, now that's 15 times 3 square root here, then 15, now equals to 225 raised to power 7 over 16. Now from here, when we look at this, from here we have 15 raised to power half. From here, then here we have 15 raised to power 1 over 4. Then times here we have 15 raised to power 1 over 8. Is equals to 225 this. That's 225 raised to power 7 over 16. We bring this together here, we have 15 raised to power LCM here is 8. And that gives us, here we have 4 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 225 raised to power 7 over 16 is equal here. Then when we look at this, we have 15 raised to power 7 over 8. And from here, is this equals to 225 raised to power 7 over 16 from here. On this side, we can equally write 15 as equals to square root of 225. So now here we can see we have square root of 225 raised to power 7 over 8 is equals to 225 raised to power 7 over 16. Then here, now this root also is raised to power half, so we have 225 raised to power half, then raised to power 7 over 8 is equals to 225 raised to power 7 over 16. Then what we have now, this is 225 raised to power, this multiplies by the law of indices, so 1 times 7, that's 7, and 2 times 8, that's 16, and here is equals to 225 raised to power 7 over 16. We now have left hand side equals to the right hand side, and hence from here we conclude that x equals to 7 over 16 satisfies this given problem. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on. See you next class, and bye for now.